Doggy. What are you doing?
Come on, Chelsea. Come on. Come on. Come on, Chelsea.
This is Chelsea's first experience at home here. Oh, it's got an itch. She's got an itch.
Okay, there's a couple bags out here,
Okay.
Come on, Chelsea.
You should just pet her.
Silly tail. Oh! Here's your favorite toy! Here. There. Chew it up.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Chelsea.
Oh, and just sit still.
Real dogs do.
She's just getting familiar, and it's nice that she's got a toy here that she likes. She's already gonna rip it up.
Here.
Oh, where are you going?
Here. Come here. Here.
Go over and see Finny. Call her over there, Finn.
Come on. Here, Chelsea.
How's that puppy? Oh, look at her.
Are you gonna bring that to me? Ooh, sit down.
Hey,
Yeah.
the other little bowl, if you wanted the other little bowl, it's downstairs in the laundry room.
Okay.
Ah, give me that.
Talk to Dad.
You chewing the thingy out?
She's gonna get worn out.
She's back there. Maybe play with this. That's silly.
Yeah, hold on. Hold on.
No.
Okay, you're getting
Chelsea.
around.
Here. Chelsea, put it out. Could we, maybe play with this one?